Top of the tree.
Yeah. Okay, then don't play with us. Don't play with us. Just get painted. Yeah, how we doing this today? You can come off that. Thank you, sir. Man, we're looking at Tesla right now. We're looking at Tesla. Yeah, you can hook up. You're right. Appreciate that, my brother. Appreciate that. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead over here. Yep, yep. Down too long. Right. Smooth beans. Smooth beans. Nope, I came out. Shot on you, my brother. Nah, I really don't expect that big that drop no more. But you could get there. I'm saying. You could get there. So do what I'm gonna do. You know where we going. Lilac. We gonna go lilac. I need that little level right there. In case you shot the drop. Just in case you decide to drop. Me? Alright, now go ahead. All right, so I'm gonna take this down to a 4 hour time frame real fast. Let's put it down to a 4 hour. Yeah, yeah, there we go. Now we can see what we got going. Now we can see what we got going. And get what? You know what crazy though? I'm telling you, a nigga ad do not need to trade before this meeting. This meeting going about 2 o'clock. I think they say 1:47. Yeah, about 2 o'clock. But are you dead? Call me for that. Dude. Coco, what's going on, Coco? Coco, we on a red app for sure. You feel what I'm saying? We on a red app for sure, Coco. I see you. We just relaxing. So I'm gonna keep it a buck. Today, right now, it's gonna be the same thing as yesterday, right? The same exact movements as yesterday. Before this meeting, man, I don't advise you to jump in. Just to be honest, but you know, it is what it is. You your own person. You know what I'm saying? We follow the charts. You know what I'm saying? But the economic calendar is important. So if you're a trader and you ain't understand the economic calendar and what's going on, you ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make it. I promise. I can tell you that. What is that? That's what we got going on in the world. So we got rate cuts today. Not rate cuts today, but they're gonna really announce if it's gonna be 25% or 50%. If they don't cut the rates, it's damn near like we finna go back in recession. You feel me? They gotta cut them rates to make sure the money and all that going. This right here is Nvidia. Tesla is everything. Listen, I'm gonna keep it a book. To me, my understanding, I really feel like everything going, you know, pull back. It all depends on what this rate cut do. But this a 4 hour, we still bullish. Don't get me wrong. But being in a position and this really being like one of my uh biggest FOMC meetings, man, I'm gonna sit this one out. Just man, no trade live. This Tesla right here on the 4 hour. So you can get an understanding that it's still bullish. It's still bullish, but right now we got some big news going to come out. This gonna determine what's going on for the rest of the year, what these rate cuts. But it's not about if it's gonna be a rate cut. That ain't the question I think we looking for. We looking for how much. You gonna stick to the 25 or you gonna slap us with a 50? We need probably by the 50. You know what I'm saying? Cool. We need by the 50. Oh, you that burnt. Okay. All right now. So with that being said, I'm gonna be looking at and then Tesla didn't even hold what they were supposed to hold. Let's take it to the 1 hour. Let's take it to the 1. As long as we hold over that 412, we really supposed to. If we could have over 420 last night, that'd have been a better look for Tesla. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it a buck, y'all. Me? Yeah, I ain't gonna get in. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna fall back, small back, with my little ends, and I'm gonna just wait. My thing is, I'm gonna probably get in when the meeting going on, depending on the setup, and after it show where it's going. If it's going down and they get the dropping, then I know I need to get in the put. Cause when it drop, it gonna drop, drop, drop. Depending on what it say, we're gonna see what it say, and then, man, hump today. It hump day. I've been up all night, all that moving and shit too. I'm telling you, play it safe, play it safe, play it safe. You ain't gotta run to the money. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, the money gonna run to you. It's gonna run to you. It's holding. If it can hold over this right here, this 412 that we got, it's over this, under this. You see this? Just a little bit of we call that price action. You know what I'm saying? All that price action right here. Under this, on top of this. One, two, three, four. Boy, they scared of this area. These folks in the hood right here with chopsticks, they scared. Random folks up out of there. So hey, you come back down here, I damn near could believe you gonna run back up there too. So that little pullback, it's at 416. That's all. That's $4 pullback. Smooth. Especially for Tesla. I'm telling you, Tesla run about a 12, 10. It go from $8 to $12 a day in any direction. You know what I'm saying? So a $4 pullback for a $8 move up, sound about right. Waiting until I believe they're gonna consolidate right here and wait to the meeting. Ain't no big money finna jump into the meeting. That's why wasn't no big money jumped in yesterday. Look at there. Yesterday. Nothing. Nothing burger. Nothing burger. It's a little something. Nothing burger. Nothing major. You get what I'm saying? Everybody got chopped up yesterday. I don't even want to hear it. I could tell by the post and everything. Damn near all the traders who jumped in got chopped up yesterday. Straight up. So that let me know what's going on for real. You know what I'm saying? I got chopped up, but I managed my loss, dude. So I had a okay day. Two trades, lost in the win. I averaged out my, you know what I'm saying? Let's drop them all down. It ain't. Let's drop it on down to the 15. Y'all don't forget, man. You know we on the red app. You know we live on the red app. You see what I'm saying? Try it out. It look a lot better. Telling you, it look a lot better. Yeah, we was definitely got. We couldn't even. I think we tapped 423 yesterday. Let me see. Let me see what this is right here. 422. Oh, yep, right here. 423 Michael Jordan. We tapped yesterday. We couldn't even get the 424 Kobe. Shit. It's over with. Bring you back down just a little bit because you ran up. You were stuck. See, Tesla was stuck in the 329 range, 330, 335. Couldn't get out of it. Finally broke through. Now in the 400s. You did good. You did great. Promise you did it. Let's get on the daily. Got on. Gap up and all that. Gaps that didn't get filled. Now get what? Keeping it a beam. Hmm. Come on, just look and see. I can see what's going on. With this right here, hold on, let me get up now. That's a double. So tell you what, got that apple. Boy, I'd say no player need that touch screen. Boy. With this little gap up right here that ain't even get filled, listen, I wouldn't be surprised if you come back down here. Listen, with the news and everything that going on, and go fill this gap. And you go fill this gap right here. Let me go gold. Let me go high yellow. I'm gonna go high yellow, hard line, hard line. Yeah, hard line. You know what I'm saying? Hard line. Now get what? Now let them folks say something crazy and it just pull down right here. It's still bullish. You know what I'm saying? And then take off. We already done tip this. It's nice. It's nice now. What we gonna do? Feel it or you know what I'm saying? That's one way to think about it. But looking at this 4 hour, we still at the nah. This is a straight pullback right here. Look, that ain't no bad pullback to be bullish right here. And that mean come out good. Hey, we finna Powell said we finna do a 50 rate cut. You know what I'm saying? This is the rate cut today. We've been waiting on September the 17th. All year we've been talking about it. They cut them rates, and it's what it's supposed to be. Like right before it been dragging down all day. Open the print, drag down, just bullshit, drag down. And they get down here. You already know we filling a gap on Tesla. Uh, and they say they cutting them rates. Man, listen, Tesla gonna shoot out of everything. Gonna shoot out the market. 2 o'clock, man. 147. Powell speaking. Knowing shout to speak, money move. So all that getting in beforehand, you ain't gonna make it in the long run of trading. I'll tell you that much. You might hit. I ain't saying you ain't gonna hit. You know, you might hit, but for real, that means you don't know nothing about the economic calendar. You don't know nothing about going on in the world. Stocks is politics that going around the world. We're gonna go chart, then politics, then news. All that run together. That's why stocks be so important. You know what I'm saying? Shit run the world. You know? And when? There go Let me go back to my new videos. But can't forget Nvidia still top dog. Number one in stock. You see what I'm saying? You can go ahead and pull cut. This been my line in the sand. This let me see, let me show you why. Let me show you why. First of all, now you see why. Look, this yellow dotted line. 174.44. Hold. 444. 17444 line in the sand. Right? We come back. Look. Tap. Tap. Look. Damn look. Tap. Hey. Hey, we not going under that. Tap over here. Hold on. We can find some more. Respect him over here. You get what I'm saying? 174 means that everything above 174, bullish. Bullish. You see what I'm saying? Bullish. We back bearish. You understand what I'm saying? Smooth. Hey, 4 hour time frame. We got 4 minutes to open the bell. 4 hour time frame. Hey, there's nothing wrong with coming. You get what I'm saying? We might just come back right here. See what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and pull. It's a nice little area. Let me like that. All right, you on Wall Street trapper me for my black, my brother. Look, yeah, I say about let's make it even. Yeah, that's perfect. All right. Mm. We're gonna keep it hard. We're gonna keep it hard a lot. We're gonna keep it hard. We're gonna thin it out though. Pause. We're gonna thin it out though. Boom. So I'm saying I'm feeling like under the 174, it's bearish and it's showing you that right here. You know what I'm saying? Now, this 172 right here, 172.32. Hey, this can hold. It look like it's hold, hold. Now, if we can get a wick right there and a hold, that's why I got this purple line. Let me see. Can you see this purple line? 172.23. Boom, it's bouncing off this 172.23. You probably can't see it. Let me make it undivided. Let's make it up line. There you go. Now you see it. Come on. Come on, you see it right here. Boop. My man, you know, right? You know what you're doing now. No, I know you know what you're doing. You see it. I had that line that whole time, my brother. So we bouncing off of that. That's what I'm saying. We can get back over this 174. Hey, I'm liking that. I'm liking that over there 174. I wouldn't be surprised if we stay, you know what I'm saying, consolidated right in this area. And then soon as Powell speak, we break over that and get up out of there. That's what I'm looking for Nvidia to get back over its all-time high with everybody else. Because they've been holding, look, as you can see, they've been getting hold right here. Since this day, they've been getting hold. Look. The last run up right here. What this is? On the Tuesday, the 9th, September the 9th. Last little run. Ever since the 9th, they've been getting hold. Look, consolidating up here. Consolidating. They can't get past this 178, right? They ran up to this 180. They can't get past that 178 and they've been dropped. They've been dropping since. You need something big, some big catalyst to change the momentum. This gonna be it. I'm telling you, this gonna be it right here in the video. So to keep it a buck for the pricing and how we're gonna do it, I'm in the video. 1 minute to the market open up. Let's get in 5 minute time frame. Mark these charts up, man. We go relax. Like I said, I'm gonna continue live. 9:30. Go to the red. Go to the red app, y'all. Go to the red app. I'm gonna continue live. I'm gonna put this phone down and get in my trade. Here we go. Pop! Market though. Look at that. Pop! Wham! What that boy sound? Whammy. Come on, man. You ain't first, you last. You ain't first, you last. But I'm still keeping it up. Not getting in before pow. Now you can. Now I'm keeping it up. Like I said, you can get in if you see a perfect setup before 11 o'clock. But to be in a trade after 11, after 12, when these folk get to starting to go in that meet and talking, oh, all money halts. You saying? Don't be in no trade. What I mean, please. It's not financial advisor. Promise you, I don't. It's your money, your money. Financial advising. It's not it. This is not that. You saying? So, yeah. Do what you want to do with your paper. Don't just blah blah blah. We most definitely got it going. Hey man, y'all slide to the red, man. I'll meet y'all there. I see y'all still hanging on, man. We did make it a 2,500 on the tip top. You see what I'm saying? We're gonna boost it up a little bit more before we get on up out of there. But I'm gonna keep a buck though. I'll meet me at the red. I like that little movement, bro. I get back over there. Yeah, how much take you? Red out. That's the tuber. Hey, hey. Red out. Red out. Red out. Red out. Y'all meet me over there. I'm going right now. I'm going right now. I'm going right now. Hey, check the YouTube page. CJ said it's saying error. It said it ain't working. Look at that drop. Look at that drop. Nah, it working. You see it? Oh yeah, it loaded up on CJ. Nah, it loaded. I hear myself on it. You gotta go check it again. Look at that drop on the video. Ooh. No, that wrong. Let's mark it. Let's mark that top. Let's mark that top. I see you, Rod. Riding there. We in there. Man, y'all meet me at the red app, man. Ross said he there. We there. Stop bombing them there. Look at that drop on that 5 minute candle. Where you going? Start running. Okay. Ooh. All right, y'all meet me on the red app. We gone. CJ, you there yet? CJ, you got to hit me in the comments on the red app. Nah, I ain't in nothing, raw. He's not ready to collect. I know that right. I'm sure finna go chart it. I'm gonna go chart it. Hey, y'all meet me on the red app. I'm gone. Um, what I need to do? Ooh, you're bigger, you're strong. Tesla got it going. Oh, new candle. Let me move it down up. Let me move this thing up. If you on the red app, man, tap a one in the comments, man. Y'all know what's going on. Tap a one. I need a one. I need a one. Hey man, if y'all just joined me on the talk, man. We on the red app going crazy. So if you doing that, you still bears right now, yo. I was happy with that thing. Mm, mm. That, that's the bearish. How far you want to go? 170? So that's a break. You retest that and break back down. I go to the bottom. Well, listen, I'm trying to get into trading. Just to complete. We're gonna make it uncomplicated. We're gonna make it uncomplicated. Uh, all right, y'all. Let me put this in the chat real quick. All right, I just pinned it, man. There y'all go. Meet me on the red app, man. I just pinned it, man. I pinned it. I pinned it. I answer all questions on the red app. If y'all go on here and let me put this phone down. Oh, y'all come up off here. Go on to the red. This put holding up. Keep all your passwords. They put really holding up, but she's fine. Passwords. Ah, just don't stop me getting in no trade. Until after this man speaks. That's where they're gonna be the biggest trade at, man. I said Charlie Brown is here. Let me see, that's no video. Shit, shush. Pushing up off that 12. Dropping all that 12. Dropping all that 12 right there. Y'all meet me on the red at, man. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. I pinned it. Y'all on the red app? If you on the red app, tap a one in the chat. Tap a one in the chat. Yep, I see it. The red app. If you on the red app, tap a one in the chinny. Tap a one in the chinny. Okay. Tap a one up in the chinny. Tap a one up in the chinny. Tap a one up in the chat. How you can't find spot trap. Let's do it. We gone. But who is you, little boy? Ah, look at that drop on Tesla. Oh, Jesus Louise. Mm, 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 mm. Look at that smacker on that. That is crazy. There you go. Look at that push off that 409. All right, you see that? They found this bottom. Tesla found this bottom. This is a retest. If it retest this line right here, I get in on this put. I ain't lying. I ain't lying. I ain't telling you no story. Come on. You retest that 412 and break pad down that. Oh, I'm in there. Okay, I see you T-splin that. Boy in there. My boy. If it pull back up to the bottom of that orb, I ain't got no choice but to whop his head. I got to go with my setup. And I'm gonna go with my setup every time. Win, lose, or draw. Well, I can get in and out before the mean. Okay, come perfect to my line. Come perfect to my line. Hey, come on up here. Come on, right here. Come on, right here. Look, you can get out of the way. You fuck on my eye. Right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Oh, it's tapping the line. What is it gonna do? Is it gonna break past that line or is it gonna respect that line and come back down? If it respect that line and come back down, it's bullish. I mean it's bearish to come back down here to 409. If it break through, there's a fair breakout to the bottom. Okay, it's breaking past. Let's do 406 coming. We finna see Rock. I mean, it came pulled right back up on us perfect for a put. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, now what it is? One minute up. Uh-oh. It look like it's finna it finna don't you okay, Tesla. Tesla finna get the put and Tesla, what you doing? You got 35 seconds left. You got 35 seconds left. 26 seconds left, Tesla. That's it. If you respect that red line and come back down here, oh, if you don't keep going, oh my God, it's all about this next candle. We got 10 seconds left. Rob, what we doing? Rob, what we doing? We putting? Look, new candle. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do, y'all? That's a perfect. What they gonna do? It look like it bullish. Look like it bullish off of that 412. Nah, you can trade off your phone flat, flat. So how I trade, I look at my computer for my trading view, and I trade off my phone, my broker boards on my phone. I get in the play just like that. You know what I'm saying? It's going down, rock. Is it going down? I don't know, brother. I don't know, brother. It look like a perfect put. It look like a perfect put, brother. At least the right here. We're gonna take profit right here. You say it's going to 4-6. Ooh, we shall see. We shall see, right? We're gonna see what's going. We got 3 minutes, man. 3:35 left in this counter. We got 3:35 left in this counter. This is a perfect hit right here. I ain't even gonna lie. That is a perfect hit. Like, if it respect that line, that'd be too perfect. Huh? Break up to the upside. No, you're running. We're running up. There you go. Reverse go on and back up there. There you go. We're waiting for the meeting, man. It's gonna be later, later, later on today. Well, later. 2 o'clock. Let's go, Green. Keep going. Look, in this top right here. Double, double topper right there, kids. Oh, gone. Get out of there. So you got to go all the way up here, retest just for a nigga to get in. Yeah, we bull splat. We bull my broker. You see what I'm saying? Nigga Tesla going on that tear. Double bottom, found his bottom. Take it up through there. See how did I do that? Why? That what I be trying to figure out. Dude. Um, I think I'm trading the video today. Okay. Fine. Everybody found their bottom. Look at that. Off that green, off that 170. Nice. That is nice. They heading up the right here. They gotta break this. They have to break that red bottom. What's that? That boy, oh my boy, what's Shim? I was thinking the video today. I ain't gonna lie. I'm on the video today, and it looked like it's bullish as his hell. But we're gonna wait till after this meeting. We got to wait till after this meeting, and the meeting at 1 o'clock. The meeting is at 1 o'clock today. Like I tell everybody, you gotta know what's going on, right? When you know what's going on, we got into about 11 o'clock to make a move if you're going to trade following your charge. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, hey, I advise you to sit out, wait for the meeting. That's where all the volatility is going to be, right? You're going to be able to do what you do. I promise you. And it's going to be worth it. It's going to be very volatile on whichever way it goes. You know what I'm saying? Look in the video. We got for this a new candle, 4 minutes. They break through this. You know some. They respecting that line. What y'all finna come back down the video? Child. Y'all gonna put child. Yeah, we're gonna wait to old pal say what he got to say. Boy, nigga can't eat on live, but man, nigga can't. You could hear everything through the mic. I'm talking about. Jesus. But what you eating? God damn it. That is a perfect clip, y'all. I'm just keeping it a buck 90. It don't really too tough get no clearer sign in that, but it Tesla just did the same exact thing and buck. You feel me? So again, hey man, we're gonna wait till Powell speak to get in the trade. You know what I'm saying? Patience is key. You can scalp your little money here and there. That's cool. But if you be patient, wait on that boy P Nasty, he gonna help you on your bag up. Follow the trend. You ain't even got to know how to trade. You ain't even got to know no number, no shit, no none of that. Yo, what? Wait on Shaw to say what he got to say. He gonna how much you gonna cut them thing, right? And watch how that market get together. Soon as he say, yeah, my market's yep, rate cut 50%, 55%. They come like, what? Yeah, we got money in. Green. Grrr. He get to talking old, hey man, we don't see nothing going on in the, you know what I'm saying, in the community. We might cut rates off 20%, 15%. Oh, market go crash. That thing gonna go red criminal. All them all-time high gonna pull back. Crazy pull back. That's what I think. Because everything been at an all-time high. It's an all-time high of all-time highs. Ain't that what Trump said on Trump Tuesdays? It's an all-time high, all-time highs in the market. What the world? Brother Shaw had to repeat that for me. Crazy. So, with that being said, know how our all-time highs give out when you up this. You know what I'm saying? It's scary up there at the top, boy. They get the want to come back down. So, I really feel like this thing gonna put. It might bleed, brother. It might bleed, bro. You know what I'm saying? And it still won't be bad if it do a day of red. You feel what I'm saying? That's not gonna kill us. We ain't going to zero. You feel me? It might feel like it. It ain't gonna. I'm telling you. tell you. I'm just saying, be on the right side of that board when Powell get to speaking. Be on the right side of that coin, or just don't be involved in the coin at all. Wait till after. Patience, patience. Y'all stand on business. That's 10 o'clock, man. We waiting on this 10 o'clock hour. That's usually a great time to trade, so we want to see how that momentum give in at 10. Oh, bullish. Let me see Tesla. Let me see how Tesla giving it up. Both bottom. That was a nice call right here. Telling you. Expected that 412 like I needed it. Everything over that 412 bullish. You know what I'm saying? It's a good one. It's a good one. Anybody did that big one yet? Oh, hold on, man. What's Sean? Stuff it, motherfucker. Overly. Stop. Stop, mama. I see you on the red app. Okay, then. You might gonna stop even into that. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Oh, yeah, you know what's going on, man. It's another chop. We know this. All the big money, the hedge funds, and everybody who knows something, they are waiting to Jerome Powell say what he got to say. We've been waiting all year for this rate cut. Ain't no folk finna. Folk ain't. Tell you, there ain't gonna be no real breakouts. Like, I mean, it was a little baby scalp here on Tesla. Yeah, I mean, I see it. But for a real deal, look, it didn't respect the down, the orb, right? Now we in the middle, right here. We're in the middle of the chop fest. Yes, we going. We need to retest over this green. This 14. Hold on. Over this 417.19. Break that retest for me to get in. You feel what I'm saying? You ain't gonna do that. You in the choppy area. We don't trade chop slop. You can. I ain't saying you don't. I just say I don't. If I'm sticking to my setup and being disciplined, I'm just chill. Just chill. Can't be so in a rush to get your money up. Yeah. You ain't following no type of, you get what I'm saying? Come on, gang. Just be patient. If you could be patient, bro, you will kill in the market. You will smack the market, hands down. Promise you it's about being patient. Uh, Atlanta. Look at that. Chop. Chop. I'll be listen. There ain't no reason. There ain't no reason to be fast. Ain't no reason to be fast. Be patient, and it's gonna come to you. I promise you. Tell them stop. Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. I see y'all on TikTok. I came back TikTok just so y'all could have some. I feel bad leaving y'all. I feel bad leaving y'all. My bad. I felt bad. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I had to come back and mess with with TikTok, man. Cause I see y'all can't get to the red. You feel me? I don't know why. We wear code. What's shall my boy? I'm watching this Tesla chop slot. You know what I'm saying? I just want to see price action the day before this meeting. This is my first rate cut that I'm very, very aware of. Patient pays a hand that waits to patiently to be paid. You feel me? Just patiently wait for your hand. They gonna drop it in there. Just chill. Hold on. And when you see it, it's gonna be right in your hand. You gonna know it. That's what I said. The market is patient people taking money from impatient people. Which one you gonna be? You know what I'm saying? I'm finna be the patient. Yeah, this Tesla Q. I'm gonna be the patient. You feel me? What's going on, y'all? We out here waiting on we're waiting on how this play out. But again, man, y'all meet me on the red app now. Y'all meet me on the red app, man. V sleeves. We looking at Tesla, my brother. Back end shows, man. I like that retest off of that line, my line in the sand. I mean, it's gonna continue to be bullish. You know what I'm saying? New candlestick. Struggling what made V walk. Let it V walk, right? Right here, it is V walk. You know what I'm saying? Not V walk. You saying you're right. Yeah, that's looking good. Let me look at it on the 15. Oh, you can't. There we go. You know what I'm saying? You ain't never worked for it. You ain't never but your life for it. I already down bad. Fucked up on my head. I took a quarter and 50-50 slab. I'm gonna go get the cash. My mama mad at me. I'm out here showing ass. Come on, man. Let's go. Look at that. Breaking. Breaking. This ain't nothing but chop slop, y'all. Chop slop, man. Chop slop. Chop slop. Don't get involved in the chop slop, man. You just got in hood for a leap. You did great, my brother. You should have got in a little earlier. But let me tell you the best call for hood. Since this is what we can do today. Since we not worrying about, I'm gonna keep it a book and I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. We not worrying about scalping at this moment. You feel me? Because there's no real breakout going on. I promise you. The big money for the scalp is waiting for Powell to speak. 'Cause right now you'll be getting bust. You feel me? You get what I'm saying? Or if you would have had to hurry up and take profit. Because look, it's not turning out good. We haven't seen three straight candles in a 5 minute time frame. That's not good. A breakout is three candles or more. Look at this. Two red. One red. Red. You get what I'm saying? Shot slop. So let me go to hood. Let me go to hood, y'all. Let me give my brother some advice. Make sure you can hear me. Yes, hood. That's what I'm talking about. See, you should have got in hood at 14. It showed us 14 yesterday. Peep game. Yesterday. Hold on. I'm gonna go back to it. Damn. Hood is good for a leap. It's still choppy. Look at that. It's choppy. Let me mark this first. We got hood in the Discord for leaps. You feel what I'm saying? We most definitely got hood in the Discord for leaps. And if you ain't got no home, you need a home, or you just want another home. I'm in a couple of Discord, and I have my own Discord. You see what I'm saying? And I barely check them folks stuff, but I thought it was good to have it. But we do pretty much the same thing. And ours are free. Trust they mother. Gotta keep it there, right? Look at that. It's still inside of this consolidation. Failed breakout. Failed breakout. Failed breakout. There's a failed breakout on hood. So it's not good to scalp long term. They're going back up to 123. You feel me? They're going back up there. Neckline. You feel me? Come on, Apple. Yeah. That's how I want to see it. Yes. They're respecting that VWAP, but they not. Yeah, we can look at Spot Jamie. Singles is gonna be better spot. They're not gonna that why I ain't even, spot my baby. Look, nasty work. You feel me? The market altogether is dropping. We know this. Brian Houser got right. They fuck around and gave me the game. No nigga had to get right. Pack in, we voted. That's the nigga we voted. Nigga around here have emotion. Boy, you some motherfucking bullshit. This right here was your put. Right here. Put. Going down to here. 659. This was your entry on a put on SPY. To be honest, safe. Most definitely. Three red candles. We're dipping. It all depends, right, on what you got your VWAP set at. You feel me? Look at that. This is a put for SPY. We're going to 659. See it. Three candles are the same. Just like I said, you need three candles. You know what I'm saying? Three candles down. Three candles up. Three candles down. Waiting for FOMO. It's a great put. That's money. This is a bag. This is a bag. This is a bag. Here we go. Look look at this area right here. You don't necessarily have to touch this. It had an equal low right here. If not, it's gonna break back down here and have some support to bounce off. If it break past this, you know we're going. It's a great put. Great put. And it hit. If I'd have been watching this, ran away from SPY. If I'd have watching this, I would have got in this put. It's too perfect. And you'll know it's perfect once it passed this, to be honest. If you're scared, then you're here with it. You're here with it. You're looking at this your target. You feel me? But you gotta scout and scout quick because you just never know. This meeting gonna be crazy, y'all. This meeting gonna be crazy. You feel what I'm saying? Now you in conclusion of what to do. Sell. This a double bottom on sell or a hold. You feel what I'm saying? The pressure is here. It's the pressure. But it's so close to where you should already took profit. If you would have got in right here, 20 contracts, hey, two candlesticks out of here. You probably might could have caught it right here. Or you seen it coming back up, got out. It's a great put. Quick little scout. As far as it holding it, target wise, it ain't a good. It's just not. It's not a good trade. High melts in the interstate. Broke nigga can't participate. I know it's more on the way. Having a couple $1,000 days, having a couple $1,000 days, hurt a fuck nigga ain't. Nah, I don't need to wait. For sure. It's like this. You got to know what's going on. Um, you have a time frame from 9:30 to 11 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? But if you're in a trade for second end traders, 11 to, you know what I'm saying? You are not supposed to be in a trade. You could have easily took this. Me, I'm wait. I'm not taking a trade today. Just to, I need to see what's going on so I could be able to tell y'all in the future. It's not wrong with not taking the trade. Now, this is what you do, Jamie. Since you didn't take the trade, all right, we see a little money, two candlesticks. You most definitely could have made your quick $400-500. You feel what I'm saying? Even if it dumps some more, you're gonna be even mad about yourself. But I'm pretty sure you would have got out on this candlestick that's playing this whole 4 minutes. It's an indecisive candle. It ain't do nothing, right? So you most definitely would have got out. Yes, yes. You pull the trigger and get right out, right? Now, this would do, Jamie Harris. Be patient and watch for this next setup. More volatility when the mean comes. So for your small contracts, the 1, 2 contracts like people doing, you might see a green candle, 3, 4, 5, 6 long green candles after this meeting. You feel me? You always trust yourself. You just need to know what's going on as a trader, right? Because we talking about doing this not for hobby, but for life. Now look at that. That's a reversal. How much of them two or them or that put would you really would have made? Keeping in the book, right? Had to be a good scout. Boom, drop one candle. Boom, you had to get in and get out with one candle. If you that next candle, right? You would have got ate up a little bit. I see like a good $200 if you'd have had a lot of contracts. You feel me? You'd have had two, three contracts. It wouldn't have been much, brother. The reversal to come back up there won't be bad. So I'm gonna keep it a buck. My plan is to wait to see how the rate cuts gonna be. Right? If we gonna head cut big, we about to see crazy green. They mess up cut, it's gonna be a bloodbath today. Bloodbath. Old market red. Look at it. Right to the line. $20 in the drip. Who's that? Jasmine. Oh, I've been about to be a year coming out on here. Lead. We on the red out, lead. Come hit us on the red out, gang. In the club on scrap is. That was a nice put, Jamie. Look at that. Beautiful put. Most definitely. Tesla ain't really was fading when I was just looking at it. Yeah, Tesla ain't fade. Tesla really just in this chop area still. Put probably see a reverse off of this 170. This would have scared everybody in their mama. This green candle would have scared everybody in their mama. Just for it to put some more. Yeah, you just gotta DM me, Redbird. DM me, Redbird. I'm gonna just get your Discord. We're gonna get you all way together. Let you look at some YouTubes. You know what I'm saying? See if you're really serious about what you got going on, and then we'll talk about classes. We want to give you as much as free information as possible. You get what I'm saying? But when I do classes, when I charge for my time. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna pour into you. I just need to make sure you really want it. You ain't bull. You know what I'm saying? But just keeping in the book, I'm gonna make sure you get everything that you need free. And if you need that extra one-on-one, we'll talk and we'll get you all the way together. Jamie, you are great. Again, only why I would have gotten out at that kind of. That's all I wanted to know, Jamie. Thank you for being transparent. I promise you, because I would have got out too. You feel what I'm saying? It would have scared me. I'm just keeping it a book. I'll stand down. Hold on, let me ask a question. Is it really down for you, dog? Heard shot when it took stand, you get shot, you get patch ball. You're really in the field, nigga. Let me show you how it is, nigga. Three families and one household still can't pay bills, nigga. That's why nigga trap hard. Still have to get a burger ball. Oh, 6 cars. Nigga, 8 cars. Ooh, I went crazy on that one. And since y'all on my YouTube, y'all might need to go check that little music out. Nah, but we're gonna get into this trade. No cap. I think we're all gonna be surprised with the Fed raising the rate. I really think so. But listen, hey, It's looking like a 25% cut rate, right? A 20% cut rate. If we get something like a 50, a 40, or 30% rate cut, I think the market gonna go so green. You know what I'm saying? That big gonna blast off. And right now, what it look like is pulling back, but it's like it's choppy pull back. Like, oh, what? Okay. You see what I'm saying? Keep on inching back for them rate cuts to hit, just for it to go green. All the way up through there. But we're gonna see what's going on. We're gonna see what's going on. We can't do but see. Collect the data, right? Collect the data. How we collect the data? We look left to go right. We see what's been going on with the tech. You know what I'm saying? We just let it go on. We watch the story. It's easy to tell the story after you don't watch what happened. You see what's going on. Okay, okay, they respected that. Now it's bouncing off the fight. Ain't really just go down. Okay, cool. They ran. Okay, respected that level. Hey, let's go look at that in a 4 hour. Let's see what's really going on. Step back and see what's really going on. You know what I'm saying? Let's kill the noise a little bit. Now, we still bullish. It's hell, if you ask me. If my screen go from the bottom left corner to the right, that means we bullish. If it go from the top left to the bottom right, we bearish. So this little bit right here, that's a baby pullback. We got enough to pull back to well, right here in this area. You get what I'm saying? We got enough to hit in this area. That's why you got to go to the red app, my brother. But I got you. Who that is? Brand new for shit show. Gotta find that phone. So, there you go. How about that? Brand new PTR. I look at it right. Oh, it said a pattern. What do you think? IPO. I'll check it out for you, my brother. Say less. So look at this. If I look at SPY on this 4 hour time frame, you feel me? It's bullish as hell still. This is real bullish. If my screen is from the bottom left to the top right and I see action diagonal, that's bullish. We're going up. If it comes from this top left to the bottom right, it's bearish. That's simple, right? So this run up. Let me see. Let me make it a little bit small so you can see the whole run up. You know what I'm saying? All right. Even just from here, we running up and run right here. What it says 657. This where consolidate in. Consolidate. You get what I'm saying? Then run up and meet that all-time high. If we pull back to this area where consolidate in, that's just another look. Low, higher, low. Look, higher, low. This will be an equal high low. We're going to an equal high low. That's smooth. That's smooth beans. You get what I'm saying? And to take off from there, guess where we're going? Now we got a roadmap to see to take it back up to the top. Hey, all-time highs. Now let this catalyst come out. Let these rate cuts be good, and we go crazy green. You know what I'm saying? You talking about don't show them stop. You get what I'm saying? So it's smooth to pull back right here. Looking at this 4 hour time frame, we ain't doing nothing wrong. We ain't doing nothing wrong. For them folks who got big money, big hedge funds who having paper, well, they laughing at y'all. They already know all the buyers are sitting right here at this line. The buyers are sitting at this line. As soon as they get there, they running up. You feel me? All right, smooth. I got you, Rod. Let me take it to you right now. What you say, IPO? I was still talking to the TikTok there. What you got? What you got right here? And you bullish? You bullish? You bullish, my bro. You got this top, and it's a baby pullback. They ain't go all the way back here. This way, okay, right here. Let me get this right here. Let me get the level right here. Do what we're gonna do to it. I need to diagonal. I need to diagonal. We're gonna make it yellow. Feel like that. We're gonna slow down, stop at. It done hit this top. It ain't getting past this. A failed breakout. You feel me? Hey, resistance. If we take you back down here, we ain't tripping. 151. To come up here and go back up. And you got something right here. Look. Give you another line real quick. Boom. And that's not meaning I don't even know what really going on. I'm just showing you the levels. You see your high. I don't know if it's all time high, but you see your high. You feel me? So you just see what's going on. Hey, you got you in the pullback stage. 2 days or 8 hours. 8 hours of pullback. You feel me? Ran up here, jumped up here. Okay, cool. Smooth pullback. But you can pull back to right here and take off. If not, this is the better. I'm gonna break that 52. You seeing 51.18. Take off. IPO. Real quick. Now that was just lame as hell. Big frame bad. Yeah. Let me go see what's trying. Let me go 15. Let me go hour. Let me go hour. I'm on the red app, Red Bird. Trust me, you go to red app, you're gonna see it a lot better. Red app, red app. You know what the red app is. Just think about it. This is right here. I just need another. Oh, I see what that's. Yeah, we got us a nice pullback, but it's respecting this area right here. Right. I don't know what, I don't know why, but it's respecting that. So let me see that on the file. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Double bottom, support, double bottom. We're gonna take off, Spy. We're gonna take off. Double bottom right there. Big old support. Hey man. I see call. Yep. One, two, three, four. Right, talk to me. Mm, yeah. So let me see you on 4 hours. Oh, okay, cool. We ain't did nothing. Just like we said, if you don't halt right there, neckline. Come on to the neckline. You feel me? Come on to the neckline, and we're gonna wait on the rate cuts. Yep, bring it on to the neckline. That put is going crazy. Oh, it's okay, okay. They're releasing a rate cut 919. I got you. I got you. I got you. Now you talking about it. Uh, wait, why I put X on it? I did it. They ain't even got it with yeah, I don't see the ticker symbol. But I get what you're saying though. I understand what you're saying. Yeah, she says about something. It's not public. Like I see. I see they shut me down. They shut me down. They shut me down. They shut me down. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah, you can tell Sprout's finna do the but if it listen, is is breaking down. This is why I see it going to. This area we got this what today? 657.78. That's a run up. That's a pull back. You see where the neckline at. Neck, head, shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Come on, right? Come on down here. Buyer sitting at this line ready to take you back up here like it did last time. If you're on top of it. If you under it, look. Boop, 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 boop. As soon as you got over it, you know what I'm saying? Through the, you know what I'm saying? So stay, if it treat as support now, you try to come back down here. You know what I'm saying? So, folk right here getting leap. As soon as we do all this, they're getting a leap. That's the next pullback. We're gonna see the all-time high. We'll put one out to next year, January. The contract next year, January. All-time highs. You're gonna see all type of, you know what I'm saying? That game. No cap. Yeah, she up a little 90 piece. Nah, the short was good. I decided to I would have took the short, but I would have got out the short. I know me. I would have took this short. I'm gonna show you exactly where. But nah, I'm gonna wait till after the meeting. Hey, buddy, you sitting here calling me for a friendly. No, so let me show you where this short was at. Short off the order. Took you up, took you down, took you up through there. Failed breakout. You feel me? This is a failed breakout. It took up here, couldn't hold over this 660. Broke back down. Open up right here, run up, nothing. Ran down. Guess what? It broke the bottom of the orb. This next candlestick ran up. Uh, it hit it hit some. It hit the bottom of the orb and said it ain't going up there no more. That's where you place a put at. Once you see it start wicking and going back down here, that means it ain't going past, you know what I'm saying? Support. Now we going, it turned into resistance. Now we're going down. Get in the put because it's going down. You know for sure it's going down. You know what I'm saying? This was a failed breakout. You see these two candlesticks? This a failed breakout to the bottom. Look, it ran down, but when it changed candlesticks, came down a little bit, but came up. It was supposed to hold right there, that red line. Hold. If it would have up, wick, and came back down. It broke out. Be patient. Came up here, broke out. Would have bust them nigga up. That's why we don't trade in here. Would have bust your ass clean up to look. Nigga would have been slick like, oh, it broke the line. Got in. You getting money. You getting money. Switch over here. You getting money. Oh, you in there. Reverse. Toe your chunky ass right on up. All the way up. You know what I'm saying? Fail breakout up here. But get what? It respected it over here. Get in. Ride out. That whole 5 minute candlestick was good money. The next one, good money. Get out. You know what I'm saying? That's the bag right there. You know what I'm saying? When it got to that, I would have got out. It felt like a reversion. Double bottom reverse, I would have got out. See what I'm saying? Left your runners, see what's going on. You would have made some more money, but we know it's support down here. We know it's gonna bounce off of that to take it up to the top. You know what I mean? We got support right here at the bottom. Green, and that's what it's doing. Turning up. In the chart. Then when you after I mark mine in a 5 minute chart, I switch to the 15, so you won't get out of place so early. You know what I'm saying? We would have rolled them two candles right here. It hit the line, rolled it, got out. When the next candle shit, I'm saying you gotta get out. Good. I would get the bag every day. Waiting for that setup. If it don't do that setup, we don't get in. If it do that setup, we get in. If we reverse, we take the loss. It's an 89% win ratio. Out of 100 times I make that trade, I'm gonna win 89 on. So the ones that I lose, you make sure you govern your losses. You know what I'm saying? It's like a 1 for 4 win ratio. I put $100 out. And I'm willing to lose 100. If I lose 100, I'm gone. But guess what? I'm finna make me 400. I stay in and make 400. I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Same thing. 1,000. I put 1,000 in to make 4,000. Simple. Follow your rules. Stick to them. Man, it's obedient. That's where you figure out who you is as a trader. You know what I'm saying? As you discipline, then you figure out that why you're gonna lose. You know why? Because you figuring out who you are. And then when you lose, chill. Figure out why you lost. What you did. Just let's go down the rule list. Did you wait? Did it hit the setup? Did you wait for it to show its not? You know what I'm saying? 9 times out of 10, you was greedy. You know what I'm saying? You was something. Try again next time. And it's discipline. 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 It's real deal different. You say go over one more time. Oh, I don't even know where I left off at. I was talking to my nephew. Just giving a game. The thing about trading is we wait for a setup. Right. I use the 5 minute orb, y'all. 5 minute orb. What we do is this first candlestick that come out right here, 5 minute candlestick. You mark the top of it green, that means we bullish. Mark the bottom of it red. We don't do nothing inside of this. Inside of this, we don't trade. We're waiting for a breakout. There you go. Breakout either top or to the bottom. This is a failed breakout. You waiting for a breakout to the bottom, come up, retest. It didn't retest here. It took you to the top for another failed breakout to the top because it couldn't hold this line. Hey, took you down here. Guess what? Breakout. It broke out. Candle close. Next candle. Retest. It shows you that it's not going back past this and it's under your VWAP. Guess what? It start pushing back down here. That's where you pull the trigger. You can switch it to a 2 minute time frame. Get closer. It's the battle zone. Trading in the battle zone. Take your put. Win, lose, or draw. You respect your setup. You feel me? Hey, if it would have came just like this, right? Got in and it start reversing. I can't be mad. If I get in right here at this candlestick, this where I get out at. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all something. Let's go for a short position. I got in right here. Look what I'm targeting. This my and I'm gonna come down here to this resistance. 5. That's where I get out at. 2 to 3. Uh, when yeah, that's a 2 to 1. That ain't bad. It's just a quick scalp. It's not perfect. Look at this. You're risking to lose this to win this, which is it's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Like some 60 something cent. Out of there. Not major. If that. Not major. You feel me? 20 contracts, you know what I'm saying? 5, 6, $700. Good for the day. Good for the day. Hey, if it break pass up here, that's where you get out at. I'll take my $100 loss if I put $100 in. But if it come all the way down here, that's $400. I gotta be good with that. I'm good for the day. Or wait for a new setup. You feel me? That's my take on spot. Yep, that's my take on spot, y'all. So again, y'all meet me back here at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, I'm gonna come back live. Jerome Pie gonna be speaking. Mr. Jerome Pie, that is. You're gonna be speaking, Mr. Money Man. When he talk that money move. Telling you that money move. We're gonna see what's going, how much it's gonna move today. Y'all meet me back here, man. Especially get the red app. Look for it. It's on my page. Stock Trapper underscore 128. Red app. We will be live. Jerome Powell, 2 o'clock. We're gonna see what he do. We're gonna see how the market moves. We want to see how the market moves so we can know. We want to collect the data. We plan on doing this for the rest of our life. You know what I'm saying? If this your first year trading, this your rookie year, You want to collect the data, see how it work. You feel me? Now, peep this, y'all. We know the buyers are at this line, right? Let me show y'all long position before I get up out of here. Buyers are at this line. A little targeting. You feel me? Now look at that. 6.75 win ratio. That's a better call. That's a better trade. You get what I'm saying? That's a way better trade than this. You feel me? I'm just saying. If it break this and go down, we know to get out because this is support. So if it breaks support, it's a bad trade. You feel me? It's going back down. It's going to dump. But right here, the buyers at this line and take it to the top side. This is what you're targeting. As you see the VWAP coming right on in. Hey, they've been under that VWAP. You feel me? We're gonna trade NVIDIA soon's Powell speak. 2 o'clock. We're waiting on 2 o'clock today. We didn't take the early trade. The early trade would have been a put. Not much, but it was there. It was here. If you could have held it to the target, great. You did fucking great. I would have got my scary ass out right here. I already had this line set up, this purple. I would took these two candlesticks. That's about it. I'm keeping it a book. $400-$500. Keep it a book. Today is FOMC. All the big money is not even in. They waiting. I'm gonna wait with the big money. 2 o'clock. Meet me here. I'm back 2 o'clock live, man. I'm going. I love y'all life, man. Appreciate y'all.